Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2016 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic with 19,955 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection, runs well, and has been upgraded with mud flaps. Powered by Harley's reliable 103 cubic inch twin cam motor with a 6-speed transmission, the TRIGLIDE puts out 101 foot-pounds of torque at 3,250 RPM. It comes equipped from Harley with a multifunction 4-speaker stereo system, cruise control, CB intercom connections, a security system with a proximity fob, and reverse. With plenty of storage space, comfortable accommodations, and ample protection from the elements, the TRIGLIDE offers the experience of a grand touring vehicle, but on the stability of 3 wheels. This vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and comes with a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.